Hi guys, welcome to IT Networking and Starfield error 0xc7x096 and Windows 11 and both. So how to solve these issues? So firstly guys, first step is click to start button, go to setting, Windows update. If you have any pending update, so firstly download and install. Okay, like this KB series pending to install in my system, so firstly install it. Okay, download and install to all, then close. Method next method is guys clean cache files. So how to do? Windows R to run, type clean mgr, then enter. Okay, this is actually select this one, other all unchecked. You can check thumbnail also. Okay, and if you don't require for only for this, and clean off. Then guys click to OK and delete. Now this is deleting. Then guys again right click, next method, right click to Windows key and click to device manager. So guys firstly extract to display adapter, to right click to update driver. Okay, I already installed, that why show is that options, so you we have to update and drivers. Okay, then processor, right click to update driver, both right click, close it. Then guys next method, click to start button, search system configurations to open, click to services, hidden all and click disable to all. Okay, then apply and then OK. And next and final step, then guys click to start button and type cmd and then enter. You can try to run an administrator, right click to run as administrator, so you're giving full permissions. Okay, then guys I have some command to repair your some corrupted Windows file. So this command I will give you in link in description, so you directly copy paste. Okay, first command is sfc/scannow, you look at in the screen. So some when you enter the some percentage like to start and find out to any corrupted file. Okay, and then second also check health your computers, and third also check, and fourth restore your health. Okay, so all four four command is very important for your computers. Okay, and that all command I will give you in description, so you can manual type, otherwise copy paste what you want to do. Okay, so almost first complete, then second just a copy and then paste, copy and then paste. Okay, yeah, and then enter. Okay, Now third. Then guys, complete your process. Fourth count also done when your system restart, and then check your problem is 100% solved. Okay, bye bye, take care. And you comment me have any issue, so WhatsApp me, number is on banner. Bye.